In this video, we will see how we can generate template that we can reuse within Notion. What do I mean by creating a template? Well, every time you create a document with certain specifications, for example, when you create a new video on YouTube, you need to check the title, the description, etc., all the elements you want to review. So, when you click to create a new item in Notion, it generates all the checklists you will need. We are going to see how we will do it in two ways. Within a table and simply as a module, a normal module within a page like this one. Let's imagine that, as I mentioned, I want to create a checklist of what I need to consider before recording a video. For example, here I simply generate my checklist. I will include thinking of the title, creating a thumbnail, generating a description, and reviewing the competition, for instance. Do you get the idea? Here I can put everything I want. If I come here, and now, when I press the / key to create a new command and start typing button, you will see that it says template button here. What does this mean? That by clicking, it will generate a button on this page with the specifications that I provide. For example, I'm just going to put here, let's say, simply, create a new YouTube video, 1000. And here, instead of the template being this that appears here, in this case, I am going to delete it. I will drag all of this and drag it here. In this way, when I click to close, you will see that I am here working and a new button appears that says create a new YouTube video. So, if I click on this button, it automatically generates, as you can see, all the elements that I have pre-configured. This is very useful because, for example, if I want to create a new video, all of this appears here and I can think about it, do it, etc. And every time I press this button, it will generate another template for me, allowing you to do something that is very, very interesting. I could have created the checklist outside instead. I'm going to do it, you can see what I mean. I'm going to delete all of this. I'm going to delete this button that I made. I am going to create another page here that I will call New Video, and I will name it, for example, template, so that I can find it easily later. And here I'm going to put the checklist. Here I'm going to put the title. As you can see, I haven't put much effort into this because it's just to show you how it works. Perfect. If I go back now, I can definitely tell it that I want the template button. And here I will say, New YouTube video. And instead of this, I will absolutely delete it. I will add this here and include it here. So what I'm doing is every time someone clicks the button, what gets generated is a new page instead of leaving the checklist there. If I click close here, now every time I press the new button, a new page appears for a new video. So here I would put the title, like how to create a template in Notion. And I would work with my product, perfect, with my checklist. And if I go back, I already have that video generated. But if I want to create a new one, I press this button and here I put, well, Video Glide. If I go back, we can see that they are being generated for me, but with the entire template that I wanted. Here, I have made it very simple, but I can make it as complicated as I want. I think it is absolutely incredible. Another way to do it, well, just like it works there, I can go to a table and create a template table, meaning that if I am going to add elements for the videos here, for example, I can do the same. I am going to put the new video here, for example, and if I click to open it, I can create a template here. I can do it here or I can do it there, but in this case, I'm going to do it here so you can see. I'm going to name it New Video and I'll put template here, and then I'll click Create Template. I'm going to give it the name New Video Template. Perfect. And here I am going to put the same, the checklist, as done before. Title, description, and thumbnail. Alright, perfect. Here, once I have generated it, I go back, and now notice what happens next. When I generate another one here and open it, I select New Template, and all the template I have created will appear here. Now it is spinning here. Now it will do it. Here as you can see, and then I am not starting from scratch, which allows me to do it, which is very, very interesting to do also within the tables if that were the case we wanted. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and if you have any questions, I'll see you in the next video.